Welcome to another episode of FML, and today on this breezy day, sorry if any of the wind gets into the microphone, but we are back on the SVX. I'm going to get spark plugs in it and coil packs, which should be here in like an hour, so let's start working. But first, let's give her a little drinky drink here. Ooh. I don't know how old the fuel is in this thing, so we're just gonna dump that in there and give it a little bit of an octane boost. I'm guessing the people that designed the cup holders on the Mercedes did the fuel cap for this thing. Look at that, spring loaded and everything. When I bought this car, it came with spark plugs. Sketchy looking spark plugs. They look like they're brand new. Oh shoot, almost broke a window. Wow. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Just do that. They got like rust on them, but they're brand new. But there's a reason why they don't make these spark plugs anymore. It's because they're garbage. Just garbage. So I bought brand new NGK ones, which is the brand I prefer. Spark plugs in, and I got a new vacuum hose for the fuel pressure regulator. My parts are supposed to be here now, so let's go for a drive. Some of you might be wondering why I don't have the parts shipped to my house. One, I live in a trailer court. I don't trust people. Two, it's a way for me not to hide stuff from my wife. That isn't the case right now though. But I would never do that. It is the next day. So I got the coil packs yesterday. They all look good. I installed them. I put everything back together, and now we are going to start it up and see what happens. I already know because I did it last night. Alright, here we go. Runs pretty good now. And I am stoked. I also think it's weird that there's moisture inside this car. I wonder where. Maybe this windshield, maybe a seal, maybe the sunroof. Does it open? I'll just leave it open. So there we go, running much smoother. I put the octane booster in there, so hopefully we're running out some old gas. I'm pretty sure our AC compressor is making that noise. So for the sake of it, we'll probably just end up removing the belt and moving on with our life. I'm gonna do this off camera, but we have a leaky brake line back here, so I'm gonna be changing that. We're gonna get some air in the tires, and then we're gonna go for a drive. Hopefully I can get these lug nuts off, because I don't have the tool for that. Some of you commented on where the coolant's going. I figured it out. It's leaking out the bottom, so we're gonna jack up the front and get away from the front of this thing. So we're gonna jack up the front and see where that's leaking from. Fingers crossed that it's just a hose and not the radiator, because apparently you can't find them anywhere. So I do have two radiators in the back from Subarus. One's from a Turbo Legacy, the other one's from a Forest, Turbo Forester. So maybe one of those will work and we can just get that up and going. But it runs, guys. It runs good. The exhaust sounds a little better. Well, there we go. We have a running Subaru SVX. It runs pretty good, with the exception of that whining noise. It seemed like I had a kind of a hard time starting, so we'll probably do an oil change on it and get things ready for winter for it. I still got to do the brake line. I need to figure out how to get these wheels off. I already have another set of wheels and tires that are going to be put on this thing, so make sure you subscribe to see what I'm going to do to this thing, and it's not restoring it. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to keep making financial mistakes.